Hello, very good morning, students. Myself, Etal Shah from New LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today, we are going to discuss the subject probability and statistics. And our topic of the discussion is the correlation. Today, we continue some more example for calculate the correlation and the regarding terms. So let's start some more example for the better understanding, and that is calculate the correlation coefficient between the age of car and annual maintenance cost. That is area. Here the age of car, that is, this is not this one is the age of car in years, that is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 12 respectively, and the annual maintenance cost, that is 600, 1500, 1800, 1900, 1700, 2100 and 2000 respectively. Okay, so these are the given data, and when we have this type of big data and we want to find the correlation coefficient, we'll use this method, and that is for the solution here. Let the age of car in years be denoted by X and the annual maintenance cost in rupees be denoted by Y. So let A equal to 7 and B equal to 1800 be the assumed means of X and series respectively. And let H equal to 1 and K equal to 100. Here your N is 7. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So first we start with the given data X, and that is your first X is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 12. For Y, 1600, 1500, 1800, 1900, 1700, 2100, 2100 and 2000. dx, that is here X minus A, dx is X minus A upon H, and that is what? X minus 7 and H is 1, so that is just X minus 7. Similarly, dy is Y minus B upon K. So here Y minus 1800 upon 100. Okay, so if we apply this formula dx X minus 7 for this column, and that is 2 minus 7, so here minus 5, this one is minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 3 and last one is 5. Similarly for dy, if we apply this formula, this is minus 2, 3, 0, 1, minus 1, 3 and 2. dx square is 25, 9, 1, 0, 1, 9 and 25. For dy square, that is 4, 9, 0, 1, 1, 9 and 4. For dx dy, it is 10, 9, 0, again 0, minus 1, 9 and 10. So if we do the summation of dx, that is 0, summation of dy, it is also 0. For the summation of dx square, it is 70. Summation of dy square, it is 28. And summation of dx dy, it is 37. So if we apply the ranked pairs, Carl Pearson's method for the correlation coefficient, that is summation of dx dy minus summation of dx into summation of dy upon n whole divided by in the square root of summation of x square minus summation of x whole square upon n in the other square root, summation of y square minus summation of y whole square upon n. So if we apply the value here, that is 37 minus 0. See, you can check here. Summation of dx into dy is 37, right? And dx dy is 0. So 37 minus 0. And in the denominator, it is 70 minus 0. And in the other square root, it is 28 minus 0. So after simplification, it will be 0.836. Okay. We'll do some more example for the better understanding. And here our question is, the coefficient of correlation between two variables x and y is 0.48. The covariance is 36 and the variance of x is 16. Find the standard deviation of y. So here we want to find the standard deviation of y, right? For that, your given data, that is r is here 0.48, right? Then covariance of xy, and that is 36. Your next, the variance of x, and that is sigma x square is 16. And therefore the sigma x is what? That is 4. So your formula is r equal to covariance of xy upon sigma x sigma y. So here r is what? Your r is 0.48. Your covariance is 36 upon sigma x is 4. And we want to find the standard deviation of y, and that is sigma y. So if I take sigma y as a subject, so that is 36 upon 4 into 0.48, and that is 18.75. Got it, everyone? Okay, so let's move for the one more example. Your given data is n equal to 10. Standard deviation for x is 5.4. Standard deviation of y is 6.2. And the sum of the product of the deviation from the mean of x and y is 66. So find the correlation coefficient from this given data. Here, first we will write down the given data, and 10, sigma x 5.4, sigma y 6.2, and we want to find here first summation x minus x bar and into y minus y bar. This is also given. This is the sum of the product of the deviation from the mean of x and y, that is 66, right? So first, what is the standard deviation of x? That is the square root of summation x minus x bar whole square upon n, right? Here, standard deviation of x, that is 5/4, and square root of summation x minus x bar whole square upon n is what? That is 10. So if I simplify, summation of x minus x bar whole square, and that is 291.6. Similarly, the summation here, standard deviation for y, that is square root of summation y minus y bar whole square upon n. Here 6.2 is equal to square root of summation y minus y bar whole square, and upon n is what, students? That is 10. So summation y minus y bar whole square is equal to 384.4. So with the help of these two value, your R is square root of summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon square root of summation x minus x bar whole square, and in the other bracket summation y minus y bar whole square. So after applying all these value, that is 66, and in the denominator, that is square root of 291.6, in the other square root, that is 384.4. So after simplification, it will be 0.197. Got it, everyone? We'll move for one more question, and that is, from the following information, calculate the value of n. And that is, here summation x is 4, summation y is 4, summation x square is 44, y square is also 44, summation xy is minus 40, and r equal to minus 1. So we want to find the value of n here, right? So we'll take r, that is summation xy minus summation x summation y whole by n upon, we already use this formula many times, right? So that is what? Summation x square minus summation x whole square upon n. And in the another, that is summation y square minus summation y whole square upon n. So if I put the value, so r equal to minus 1, summation of xy, that is minus 40, minus summation of x is 4 into again 4, n, which we want to find out, upon summation x square, that is in the square root, that is 44 minus 4 square upon n, in the another bracket, that is 44 minus 4 square upon n, and after simplification, your n equal to, see, these both are same. So square into square root. So the square of this square root, so it square root will be cut out, right? And after simplification, it will be n equal to 8 here. Got it, everyone? So we'll move for one more example, and that is, your given data is this, and we want to find again n. So from this data, we can take, first we start the solution with, that is sigma y. What is deviation, standard deviation of y? That is square root of summation y minus y bar whole square, right, upon n. So 8 summation of y minus y bar, that we don't know, and upon n is what? That is also we don't know. right? So summation of y minus y bar whole square, that is 64n, right? So r equal to what? That is summation x minus x bar y minus y bar whole divided by in the first square root, that is summation x minus x bar whole square, and in the other square root summation y minus y bar whole square. So if I substitute all values here, that is r equal to what? That is 0.5 from the given data. Here 120, that is also from the given data. This is square root of 90, and this one is square root of 64n. So after simplification, we can say that n equal to 10. If you simplify this term, your n equal to 10. Okay, student. So here we did many more example for the correlation coefficient. Okay, so feel free to contact me for any query. Till that, enjoy the study. Thank you.